A rapidly evolving hurricane is moving into the southern region of the United States and has a lot of residents worried for what is to come. Strong winds have been seen heading west across most parts of southern Florida, reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour and more. The rain doesn't seem to be letting up anytime soon, so I recommend stopping what you are doing and taking shelter as soon as possible.
This episode is sponsored by Metabo HPT, durability first.
All right, Brent, it's day 7, and I just need to know, what do I need to do to get my margarita?
Well, we lost quite a bit of time today due to the hurricane, but guess what? We still have an amazing crew with us, and we got here early to get this done. Let's see if we can get it taken care of today.
I mean, the sun's not even up all the way yet, so we've got a good shot.
It's early. Let's get started. Our joists are done and taken care of, looking gorgeous, but now we still have to do some framing down below. We have our 2x4s, and we're actually going to be enclosing this surface on the side, except for right here, because right here we're going to put all of our panel boards for a dry space dock area. But let's get it framed up. We're going to put our decking right on top of a vertical surface, and it's going to look gorgeous in the end.
I'm Omar with Omar Builds It. So I was brought on to work on electrical, but of course there's needs in different areas. And one of my goals is to just jump right in and do what I can to get the job done. So, and one of the cool things about this, I'm learning from each person as we go along. All right, so when installing any electrical, one of the main important, especially outside, I have these waterproof silicone, and they really help to protect your wire. Normally your box are waterproof, but it's always safe to take precaution. And it's all my wires inside are wired up with silicone, and I'm gonna use DOP to silicone all my connection as well as a extra precaution as well. So it's perfect for that, and silicone is nice, water protection, allow moisture or anything to not get in, and that's what you want.
Hi, my name's Nolan Thompson. So it has not been running as smooth as silk, but that's construction in general. But we've overcame every issue that we have been presented. And I think we're still gonna finish. It's just gonna be a little extra effort that needs to go into it.
Hey, I'm Adam Beasley from Lazy Guy DIY and Makers Challenge Central. Came here to Tampa. I'm sort of a fill-in guy, a little bit of everything. I do a little work as a carpenter on TV show, and just brought my talents here to help out wherever I can, build furniture and work on some storage solutions.
Might be asking yourselves, why is the tallest guy in the shortest space down here? And we're under the deck because we're going to try something new with this product. This is wall control. It's USA made. It's galvanized steel in this case. There's lots of other different finishes, and we can store pretty much anything on it. It's a modular pegboard system. It's fantastic, and we're going to put actually the paddle boards up on here so they're safe out of the way. But it's a really simple system. The piece block right in, and you're good to go. You can put anything on here. We're going to be using these big brackets on here, and we're going to be having the paddle boards up. They can hold 25 pounds per connection. So we're going to put 3 of them on here. We're going to have a lot of weight, and things are going to be going anywhere.
One of the fun things when you get people together like this, you get them out of their shops, they're not used to it, you have a limited amount of tools, you just throw everybody together, and the big thing is you have to be adaptable. If you're not adaptable, you're gonna have challenges. And I've done this a few times before. You just roll with it. You sort of coach the people that are there. And I think we're all coming together right now. The team is really meshing, and we are 100% going to get this done in time.